You know that we talk more and more often of medical tourism. For hair grafting, there are 4 low-cost destinations: Tunisia, Turkey, Morocco and Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. Morocco and Mauritius have a very good reputation. We therefore chose them for the quality of their services. In Marrakesh, there is a very special and original technique. The head nurse of an entirely new concept called follicular assistance. So what is follicular assistance? Lamia Mihoubi, you are the head nurse of this structure, so could you explain what it consists of? Yes, follicular assistance is an original and high-performance concept which allows the Moroccan surgeons to benefit from the technique of hair grafting. These hair grafts were created in Morocco by a team of 8 technicians who are ultra-specialized in follicular microtransplantation. We go to these surgeons to help them in follicular microtransplantation. How are these surgeons trained? We all know that there are a lot of surgeons who try to do hair grafts, but there are very few of them who are highly performing and who do it to a high quality. How do you train them? We select them through a meticulous selection process, and they were all trained in European clinics, especially in Spain and France. Excellent. So they are real surgeons or plastic surgeons? They are plastic surgeons. Which techniques do you use? FUT, which is to say strips, and FUE, which is when we extract graft by graft and then implant them directly after. Okay, so if I've understood, you are a team of nurses and technicians, and you are the head of this team, I understand. You have all your own equipment. So talking about this equipment, when we think about the countries of the Maghreb or, let's say, exotic countries, we're always a little worried because it's hotter there. And this means that there is a higher risk of, let's say, infection. What equipment do you use? To start with, when we travel with our microscopes, of course, and our single-use instruments. So these are mono-use instruments which are only used once and which are disposable to avoid all type of contamination or infection. Excellent. Thank you, Lamia. I would just like to add that Morocco is a tourist destination, and so we mix the useful and the enjoyable, especially since it is a lot cheaper than in Europe. What do you mean, less expensive? Well, in fact, it's 30 to 40% cheaper than in Europe. Excellent. Thank you, Lamia.